In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a flipbook in Canva. By the end, you'll turn a multi-page Canva design into a smooth page-turning flipbook you can preview and share. Start in Canva with a project that's ready to flip. Any multi-page template works, but a layout designed for brochures, magazines, or lookbooks will feel most natural. Make sure each page is the same size, check that your content isn't too close to the edges, and include a clear front cover and a clean final page. If you have hyperlinks in your design, place them clearly. Well-contrasted text and simple buttons tend to carry over best when converted. With your design open, look to the left sidebar and open the Apps panel. In the search bar, type Hazine Flipbooks. This app connects your Canva project to a flipbook preview without needing extra downloads. When you see it in the results, select it to proceed. If it's your first time, it may take a moment to load. Just wait for the interface to appear. Inside the Hazine Flipbooks app, choose the PDF option and enable Compress PDF. Compression keeps your file light so pages load quickly and the flip animation feels responsive, especially on mobile. It won't replace careful image sizing in your design, but it's a great safeguard to avoid bulky exports. Next, click Export. When prompted, select Open. You may see an additional confirmation. Click Open again. Canva will hand off your PDF to Hazine and take you to a new browser tab. This is expected. Give it a moment while the file uploads and processes. On the Hazine page, click Continue to generate your flipbook. After a short render, you'll land on a live preview. This is where the magic happens. Use the on-screen controls or your arrow keys to turn pages, and click Next to cycle through animation styles when that option appears. You'll see the classic page curl, a faster slide, and other variations depending on what the preview offers. Check that page order is correct, margins look good, and any links or QR codes are clickable. If something looks off, just return to Canva, adjust your design, and repeat the export through the Hazine Flipbooks app. Small tweaks, like slightly larger margins, higher contrast text, or lighter images, often make a big difference in the final flip. And that's it. You opened your Canva design, connected it to Hazine, exported a compressed PDF, continued to the preview, and reviewed the animation. You now have a polished flipbook experience ready to share.